Hi there everybody, so in today's video I have this BMW 5 Series. This is a 2016. I'm just gonna show you where the air filter is located. I'm gonna check it on this one. I'm not gonna be changing it today. So if we get the bonnet open, in this box will be the air filter. So if we open these clips here, and also if you just loosen this clamp, I've already loosened it, just loosen that clamp a little bit, and also you can remove that hose there. Just doing those things will allow you to lift this cover up a little bit more easily. It will become detached from there. You don't necessarily need to take it completely out, so you can just lift it up a little bit and you can just about grab that filter from there. In my case, I'm obviously just using one hand at the moment, but that's where the filter is. It's a little bit dirty, it's not too bad, this one. I'll probably be changing it later. And it's a MAN filter, C34120. If you find that this box is really dirty, you can give it a clean or just hoover it out or so, because there might be some dirt in there. But anyway, you get your new filter and just get it back in there. Get that in. A minute. Let's get this in here. Process obviously is a lot easier when you're using your two hands, otherwise it gets a little bit harder, but nevertheless you will notice that down there, these bits here, that plastic bit there, sorry it's a bit hard to show, the plastic bit that's sticking on the side there, just where the screwdriver might be, if I can get it pointing there. So that bit that's sticking there from the cover needs to go into the hole which is around the back there. So it just needs to go into that. There's a hole in there, and there's two of those. There's two of those plastic bits. So to get those in, you really need to just we need to press on the back. Press on the back of this housing and slide it back. So again, that will be a lot easier with two hands. Okay, so that's gone in. Now it's gonna be nicely secured. And now we can just shut the front here. Again, just make sure these holes on the sides go into the little flaps there. Same on this end, so you can have the box nicely shut, and then you can get those clips back in there, and we can close this Jubilee clamp here. Just tighten that up. And also get your cable, this pipe, just secure in there. And that's pretty much it really. It's not really that hard, but if you're doing it with one hand, it's a little bit more tricky. Anyway, so I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.